Want to change the aspect ratio of your video? Here's how to adjust it in Adobe Premiere Rush. First, open your project in Adobe Premiere Rush and click on the sequence settings. Under the aspect ratio option, select the one you want, such as 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Instagram. Next, Premiere Rush will automatically adjust your video to fit the new aspect ratio. If necessary, you can zoom or reposition your video using the transform tool. Double check your video's framing after changing the aspect ratio to make sure nothing is cropped out. Let me know in the comments if you are adjusting your aspect ratio now. Now your video is perfectly sized for any platform. Make sure your edits fit the new aspect ratio. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.